In Stella 3.7, we've extended the confidence graph to work both across runs and across array elements and pulled it out as a separate graph type. I'm going to demonstrate here the use across array elements. We bring down a graph, we select confidence across runs or arrays, and it determines whether you're working across runs or arrays by looking at what you select. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to select a placeholder, and I'm going to select a placeholder for base values. And I'm going to use star as the selection. Because I've selected star, it's going to look at a set of values across all of the elements of the run based upon the star value. And I can look at cash flow or EBIT or revenue here. And I can also go and select a more colorful palette, perhaps the default, which will give you a graph more like the one that you're used to looking at. To make this work across runs, you do need to set up your model to have an array element such as run, and that run has to be indicative of some uncertainty that might be going on. If you were to go in and make some parameter changes, say I had more development starts at 40 and less CapEx at 5 million and run that, I will get a different looking graph. One of the things you'll notice is that the graph lays itself over time as it unfolds, whereas if you did a sensitivity graph, a confidence graph across runs, the confidence graph would fill in elements, the percentiles, as you ran the different runs, as opposed to filling in over time. To learn a little bit more about this model, there is documentation which has a link to both this particular model as well as a description of the process for building models that have used runs to do sensitivity across arrays.